Alrighty, Bearsky here. Sidequest removed the ability to get Discord by getting Sidequest. I don't know why they did it, but they did. But they did add a new app installer. Well, that's probably why they did it. Jeez, I'm an idiot. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to be running through how to download and install Discord by downloading and installing Sidequest on your headset, as I've been told my guide is no longer working and is wrong. It's not, because I just did it, but I'm not going to say no to boosting my time watch. So, oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'm garbage and I need to plug that in somewhere in the video. Okay, first up, go to the Meta Store, search for VR Station, as for some reason mobile VR Station doesn't work, and I don't know why. Make sure you download and install it. Now open the Meta browser and go to SidequestVR.com. Sign in. I'm going to be quick signing in with my Google account. Just make sure you sign in, create an account if you have to. Yada yada, pretty self-explanatory on that front. Click on the search field and search for Sidequest VR. Click on the Sidequest VR app. Scroll down and click on the link to download APK directly. Continue the site. Click on the app-release.apk. It will then download. Close the Meta browser and open Mobile VR Station. Click the power looking button. It's at the bottom, and that's just to close the initial window. Click on Local Files. Click on All Folders. Click on Android. Click on Data. Click on Scoped Storage Actions. Click on Step 1, Request Access. Click right around here. It's going to say Quest 2, Quest 3S, Quest 3, or Storage HDMD. Something. It depends on the region and which headset you're using, but it's gonna be the button or the link for a headset right about there. Click Download. Click on the quad arrow at the top right of the app-release.apk app. Click Continue, then Install. Click Open. Close the window. Mobile VR Station will crash, and if not, you can just close it. Open your app library. Click on the Unknown Sources tab that's located on the left-hand side. And now, this used to be the access to the drop-down list when you click on all, but that depends on what version you are. But if you're on the latest, greatest version on your headset, you're looking over here for the Unknown Sources tab. Open Sidequest. Open the Meta browser. Go to sdq.st/link. Enter the code displayed in your headset. You can try using my code, but it doesn't matter. It gets refreshed every time you do it, so it's going to come up as invalid, so just go ahead and use the one that comes up. Click Link Now. Close the Meta browser. Click Continue on the prompt. Click on the search field in the Sidequest app. Search for Alucord. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that right. Click on the Sideload Now button. Click Settings on the prompt. Toggle the Allow Access toggle on and click Install. Click the bottom go back arrow in the top left corner. Once downloaded, go to the Unknown Sources in App Library. Click on Alucord Installer and click Allow. Click on Install. Click on the next install prompt. Let Alucord install. Click Settings on the prompt. Toggle the Allow toggle on. Click the bottom go back arrow in the top left. Click Install. Click Allow. Click this window. Open Alucord in Unknown Sources. Again, that's the tab on the left-hand side. Sign in. And now you're in Discord. But go ahead and keep watching to see how you can stream your VR gameplay. Discord window can also be stretched by going to a corner handle. Discord is ready to work. Make calls, check out servers, join voice chat channels. To stream, you need to go to a voice chat channel that you have permissions in, or make a private call. Allow access to your microphone. Click Dismiss on the prompt and click the window. You'll see a drag up window, so go ahead and drag it up and select Screen Share. Yeah, hey, by the way, another plug, like, subscribe and comment if it's working for you. It's super easy for you to just click like, but it means so much to me and it helps the channel out big time. Anyway, click the try it out for the mobile screen share and click Allow. This might cause Discord to crash, but no worries. It might even say that it can't screen share right now. It's totally normal. Don't worry about it. But next time you click on screen share, it's going to work. I guess some settings are getting flipped in the background, but it's just part of the process. So here's some footage of me playing Iron Man VR and screen sharing to my alt Discord account in my Discord server. So yeah, there you go. And there's my main Discord account streaming right now. Here I am joining the channel. And so just, yeah, some quick gameplay, how it looks while you're in the stream and watching the main account stop the stream. It's going to stream in landscape mode. I mean, that's just the reason why I look so weird right now is because I'm watching this on my phone. So yeah. It's kind of annoying for shorts, but you know, it's definitely solid if you're going to share it to anyone that's going to be checking it out on a computer. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bearski out.